Marami siyang amenities and there's so many cottages, small cottages. Meron din siyang mga room accommodation except aside from this cottages that you see right now, and it's very madami siya. It's really vast. And yan siyang comfort room sa sides. So if you would like to have a family bonding, camping, etc., you can come here and then enjoy the facilities. Some of the pool are already tried. Maybe they didn't use it anymore because mas concentrated yung mga tao sa sa room accommodation rather than staying in cottages, small cottages. So right now, kung makikita ninyo, the place is big basically, and it can accommodate numbers of cars inside, just in front of your accommodation. So our accommodation is just it's basically down this place. I'll show it to you later on, but then these are the cottages that they have, and there these cottages comes in rooms and then small lanais underneath, and it's very vast. It's very good. So that is where I came earlier. So I just forgot where am I gonna go down, so I can go back. Yeah, I think so. There you have it. So they have small store there. And here, there are so many people already. So from here, I can go down so I can reach our accommodation, but that's the vast display. So we're gonna go down now. There, so you'll be able to see. So I'm going down. Yeah, it's so vast. Yeah, there's so many people arriving, or people has arrived already. As you can see, there's the water. Yeah. There you have it. So the current here is kind of strong, and you're gonna love it. There. So that's how it looks like. There you have it. So that's what they do. And that's a current. So that's how it looks like. Ha? Oo, pwede. Hanggang dun sa taas mayroon pa, be. And this is almost the end of my trail, because this is our accommodation. It leads to our accommodation, and basically there's so many people that, you know, they're enjoying the scenery. And that's Jay, and that's Miguel. I've been through
Andun na yung mga
There
pagkain.
and there and there. Everywhere. I've been everywhere.
Andun na yung mga pagkain.
Hindi naman.
Ito ang Green Jelly.
Yeah. So that's how it looks like. It's really vast and it's really nice. There's so many people in here and basically it's clean. There you have it. There. It's clean. Basically you'll be able to enjoy your stay because it's not just swimming but hiking as well. See? It's really nice. They have small stores. So that's how it looks like. And this is men's room. But it's prohibited right now. But this one, you will be able to hike. This is Mount Banahaw. It's a part of Mount Banahaw. All to do is to climb. There. There. So it's really nice. The place is so nice. The place is so big. And you'll be able to enjoy. If you want to walk, if you want to do some walking, it's a very good form. Not a good, but the best form of exercise, as they said. And you'll be able to lose some weight as well. So that's it. So that's the ladies' room, which is functional. There. And there. Some more of the vicinities. Basically, it really is a big place and a nice place for family hangouts, friends, barcadas. There. And that's the end of my trail. There. So there's so many places where you can go. There's so many places to visit. There's so many places you can look at too. So that's my brother's car. That's what we used when we went here. So these are our neighbor. This is our accommodation. It's just basically near where the car park is. So you'll get to enjoy a car park just near your accommodation. You don't need to walk far. So this is how it looks like. No. There.
Hello na daw siya eh. Basta pa yung tali niya. Basta bebe. Bebe mo yan dyan.
Ayan. Video mo
Dito
kami
na.
JB.
Pipindutin pa? Ah, sige. Mm.
Kaya talaga yung tubig galing sa, sa bundok, sa taas.
Falls? Sa falls yan? Ayun na si ate.
JB! Let's go, JB. Oh. Tingnan natin. Oo. Para makapagluto tayo. JB? JB? Are you gonna poo or what are you gonna do? Come on, JB. JB. Oo nga eh. Galing nga eh. Kuya, anong pangalan ng bundok na malapit dito?
Ano po? Banahaw po at saka...
Makiling. Ah, ay ano?
Ayun, Banahaw na po yung kabilang.
Ah, Banahaw na yan.
Cristobal po.
Cristobal naman siya.
Ang makiling po ay sa Kalamba po.
Kalamba
Pero
naman.
malapit lang.
Malapit din. Galing na ko.
Isang oras.
Papunta na Makiling.
Kaya pala malamig.
Oo nga. Ang cute nga. Ang ganda.
Ay, mga lansones yan po.
Saan?
Yan.
Ah, ito?
Yung tapat mo ito. Yan mga puno ng lansones.
Lansones ba yan? Ang lalaki. Ha? May hagdan din dyan? Talaga.
Mamaya i-hike natin.
Mag-hike natin. Tara, let's go. JB, let's cook first. Come on. JB, sabihin mo doon sa mga nanay at tatay mo, gumising na sila. Dami palang adventure dito. May pwede pang mag-hiking. Ay, eto Biling sinasabi ko sa'yo, yung alaga natin. Gaya ng bulaklak nun, oo. Ayan, oh.
Violet.
Iba-iba bulaklak nun.
Ayun, maliit.
Yung ganyan.
Maliit na ganyan dun eh.
Mayroon dalawa yun.
Oo.
Nagka-green na ako noon, tag dito, medyo ganyan, tapos pula, pink, ganon. Iba-iba yung, parang ano siya, yung combination na breed. Ayan o, tingnan mo to. Iba yung kulay niya. Ayan. Pwede pala tayo mag-hiking.
Hiking swimming pala dito.
Oo, hiking swimming.
Kaya pala ano, kagabi
Ayan o,
kumakain ka.
malawak pa, Billy o.
Yan, dinaanan natin eh.
Ayan ba? Kaya pala. Ganda. Saan nga ba tayo?
Meron pa rin.
Oo nga. Kaya sabi nga ni Kuya, di ba? Pwede pala tayo mag-hiking dito, hindi lang swimming. Let's go. Baby. Gising na natin sila.
May pababa pa dun eh.
Oo nga. Oo nga, no? Tara. Dito na tayo. Dito tayo. Dito. JB! JB, dito.
Tingnan mo kung saan bumabagsak yung tubig.
Oo nga eh. Saan baba?
Sa ilalim.
Oo.
Sa ilalim pala to yung dire-diretso. Sa underground.
Ganun. JB! Talaga naman nauuna talaga siya. JB, nasa na tayo? Saan yung bahay natin din?
Ito.
Halika
Sa
na,
pauwi na ba?
Oo.
Tingnan, hindi, ikot
Ay
na
nga
tayo.
pala, ikot pala tayo. Doon pala tayo sa ilalim, JB.
Ito, meron pa space dito.
Oo nga.
Ba't wala kayong tubig dito?
Hindi, pool to dati. Tingin ko pinatay na lang nila.
Yan.
Ay, ayan o. Oo, galing no.
Pailalim. Ano?
Oo. Tapos babalik yan doon, ganun. Let's go. This is our trail.